Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Zoho CRM import wizard for leads. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To activate the Zoho CRM import wizard for leads, first, log in to your Zoho CRM account. Navigate to the leads module from the main dashboard. In the leads section, locate the more drop-down menu. Click on the more option to view additional features. From the drop-down, select import. This will bring you to the Import Wizard interface. You can now choose the file you want to import. Select the type of file you are using, either CSV or XLSX. After choosing your file, click on the Next button. The system will then analyze the file for compatibility. You'll be asked to map the columns from your file to Zoho CRM fields. Ensure each column matches correctly by dragging and dropping the appropriate fields. Once you've mapped all necessary fields, click Next. You may choose to import duplicates or skip them based on your preference. Review your import settings to ensure everything is accurate. When ready, click on the Import button to start the process. The system will display a progress bar indicating the import status. Upon completion, you will receive a notification about the successful import. You can then check your leads module to see the newly imported leads. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.